So I just got this refrigerator handle cover. The handles of my refrigerator get sticky with grime and dirt all the time, and it gets on my nerves. So what you get is you get a 5-piece cover, and you can use it to cover any part. So I'm going to install this on the refrigerator handle. It has Velcro, it is soft, it is elastic, it is flexible. So let's put it in there. So once you put it, you just put it like this, okay, and you cover it around, and you can pull it to seal it appropriately, so you can see how it fits perfectly, and I can arrange it neatly so that it can seal perfectly. So then you can also rotate this so that it can move to the other side, opposite side. So just wrap it around like that, and it hides the Velcro area. And I'm going to install the other one too now. I love that it is very good quality, very durable. You can see how nice and thick it is, but it's still flexible enough for me to turn it around, and it's also washable. So if this ever gets dirty, I can wash it. And you can also put it by the stove. You can see how it fits on the stove area. That's another area that gets really grimy, and it fits perfectly, so that when I open the stove, I can open it without it being dirty. I absolutely love it.